Hi, I'm Alison Wismore. I've been working with Guy Michaels and I have found his coaching to be invaluable. I've just had 4 sessions so far, and what I've appreciated about Guy's approach is his flexibility to my needs and what I feel that I would like to do, what I'd like to work on, but he also gives his input and his suggestions about what the possibilities are and what I could do. What I've appreciated as well is that there's homework. So sometimes my sessions aren't necessarily very regular because I have to catch up on the homework that he's given me, and I like the fact that I have tasks and to-dos to do after every single meeting, every single session I have. He's helped me learn about different readings, intention, things that as an actor, a trained actor, we know, but it's different trying to interpret that to voiceover. He's also given me some management and business issues. He's helped me with some tech things. So I would just recommend that he's a great person to work with and very supple in terms of adapting to his clients' needs.